So today I'm going to be discussing the Shoelace formula, which is used to find the area of any polygons that are on the x and y axis. So this is how you start the formula, and when you expand it, you would do x1 times y2, x2 times y3, and x3 times y1. The red colors, when you multiply them, you get a positive product, but when you multiply the green, you would get a negative. So x1 y2 plus x2 y3 plus x3 y1 minus x2 y1 minus x3 y2 minus x1 y3. So let me give you guys an example. Find the area of triangle with the coordinates A, which is 0 and 4, B, which is 3 and 6, C, which is -5 and 2. So you just put in these coordinates into the formula, giving you 1/2, 0, 4, 3, 6, -5, 2, and 0 and 4. So I'm going to multiply downwards. So 1/2 modulus 0 plus 6 plus -20. So now we're going to multiply upwards, giving us a negative value. So that's -12 minus -30 minus 0. So 1/2, when you add all of them up, you get 4. So 4/2 is 2 units square. So this can apply to many different polygons and not just triangles. So you can have more than 3 coordinates, you can have 10 coordinates, but always remember that you start and finish your equation with the same coordinates. So you can see how I started with x1 and y1 and finished it with x1 and y1. These are some examples of areas that you can find using this formula.